In Character.ai app, there is a new feature. It's called Character Calls, our latest feature that lets you have live conversation with AI characters, just like talking on the phone with a real person. Whether it's a deep discussion or light banter, the conversation is completely up to you. So yeah, when you just open it up and now go to characters, now you can just make a call basically. So as you can see, you can mute, you can interrupt, you can still just go to the chat and chat via text, but seems quite cool. It's the voice is not sounding yet completely natural, but it's getting there, and it's quite scary. So you can also press and hold to switch voices. So you can create your own voice. You can just discover voices. So just create your own, create a character voice. So yeah, pretty cool thing here. So yep, that's what it is. Try it out. This is a new feature. It's available in the free plan, so give it a try.